What is a numerology reading? Do you often see the same numbers and patterns everywhere you look? There is a reason for that. Your name and date of birth are not random. Your unique numerology chart is your soul's blueprint. It represents your unique chosen path. Who are you? What are your strengths? What are your weaknesses? You might already have an idea, but a numerology reading can be much more specific, leading to greater insight into self. Whenever we want to know the deeper meaning of a person's life, know this person's karma and destiny, we will make a numerology reading for that person. The numerology reading gives the person a clear insight into why things are the way they are in his or her life. Numerology is basically the study of numbers and the way that numbers are implemented into daily life. When a person receives a numerology reading, the reading is based off of several significant numbers that the person has come across during his or her lifetime. In simple terms, numerology is a study of numbers in your life. You can uncover information about the world and also each individual person by numerology. Numerology is seen as a universal language of numbers. Your numbers can help you make sense of things like your ideal career, your love life, your inner strengths, your weaknesses, your heart's desires, even the desires that you keep hidden deep inside. If you are familiar with astrology, then you may know a little bit about numerology. It is similar in quite a few ways, but uses a different method to get the information and insights. Numbers. A numerology reading presents a detailed snapshot of the person's birth energy, provides information about the intended life path and the events that are connected with any previous lives that you had on Earth, and how that may affect your current life, gives a description of your innate natural abilities, uncovers your hidden desires, or as numerology refers to it, your soul's urge, gives a description of the changing background energy along your life path. A numerology reading works well for people that want to know more about themselves, or for those who want to know why they do the things they do. It is amazing for parents to have them done for their children. It is that roadmap of the child to help you support their life's path. I am very passionate about doing readings for people. It does my heart good to give people meaning and understanding in their life. I would feel privileged to do one for you or a loved one. Please contact me below for more information. Thank you.